Hi, welcome to HR Quest. I'm Kaushik. In this video, I'm going to share with you one very tricky question that can be asked by any interviewer to understand how long you're going to stick around with the company. The question can be asked to you in this manner. What are your long-term goals? Or where would you like to see yourself 5 years down the line? The objective here is to understand what you really want to do in life and whether you are ready to do something or you're clear about your goals. Now, to handle this question in a proper manner, you can slightly use your wits and you can respond in this manner. Well, sir, I would like to see myself 5 years down in the same organization doing better, performing on greater roles and responsibilities, also to step up to the next level of management. Well, this could be a very nice way to tell that you really want to value the job, you really want to be with them for long term, and you have realized that there could be huge growth opportunities in the same organization where you have come from. To answer this question effectively, always keep in mind two things. What the job is all about, what kind of roles and responsibilities that can be offered to you, and most importantly, what could be the career track the company has to offer. And all those things you should try to align with your personal goals, your career objective, and most importantly, what you really want to do in life. If both the things you correlate, then it can become a very concrete answer, and then you should choose the right words to describe that why do you think that this company is going to give you that career what you're looking for, and you really want to stick around for long so that you can achieve your career objective, and most important, you can deliver value to the organization. This is what exactly would satisfy your interviewers the most, because you're not only saying what you really want to do in the next 5 years or long term, but you're also giving a strong reason that you really want to do well for the job you have come for. So this could be one of the ways to tackle this question. There are over 100 videos on HR Quest which will guide you how to deliver best of the answers to any job interview question. To know more about it, hrquest.com. Thank you.